In this video, I'll show you how to play a solo game. I'm logged in, I'll hit create, then new. I'm happy with this prompt, I'll give it a name, create. Shortly we'll go to casual game, but before that you'll notice the option to assign homework. That's one of the ways students can play solo games in that case that you assign to them. If you want to learn how to do that, check out the tutorial video which is shown here. For now, we'll select casual game, then join. So this has opened up a new window for me and I can enter the game, select my avatar and hit start game. So here we go, the game started and I can continue from here. You might choose to play a solo game to get an idea of how Frankenstories works. The thing about playing a solo game is you don't get all the competitive aspects and the collaboration that really give you the full experience of Frankenstories. Here I'll show you how a student can play a solo game. I'm back on the Teacher View homepage. For your students to play a solo game, you'll need to have helped them to create an account. You'll need to go to Classes and create a class. From there you can add students and they'll get their student codes. For help doing this, watch this tutorial video here. From there, I'll assume your students have accounts. So we'll go back to the main home screen. Here we are on the home screen. I'll go to Login, Student Login, and then input the student code. Students are now in their own account. They can hit create. The settings are editable, so the students can select their own prompts. I'll name my game and hit create. From here, the students have been dropped into the game lobby and all they need to do is start game. So there you go. That's a quick example of how both you and your students can play solo games.